we are here to celebrate the first New Year of Lakshmanam Spoken English Academy. This is not only an institute that is giving you knowledge. If you talk about from my angle of vision, this is my dream. This is something that I wanted to do. This is something that everyone was saying you should not do, you should not do. But this is something that I decided that I will do, and I am doing. I have no idea I will be succeed or not, but I am doing it. And I am doing it with full of excitement, with full of enthusiasm. And that's why I am standing here. And you can see that the devotion, the dedication that I am showing is only because I am living my dream. And I would like to say to each and every one of you, whatever you are going to do, just try to find out is this your dream or this is something you like or not. And if you like it, you should do it. Because if there is something that you are doing and if you don't like it, you can never do your best. So that's why. If you can see that I had a job, I could earn a lot of money, but still I am doing here. I am living in an area where I have never been. But why I am doing all this? Because this is my dream. To speak English and to make others speak English and to motivate others to do something what they want to. This is my dream, and that's why I am doing it with full of happiness. I know I am compromising something. I know I cannot visit my city where I have been a lot. I know I am not earning a lot of money which I used to do, but still I am doing because this is my dream. This is my dream. So everyone, whatever you are going to do, just don't do because your father is saying this to you, because your mother is saying this to you, or because your friends are doing. Always try to find out, is this your dream or not? Is this something you are interested in or not? If you are not interested in doing something, how can you give your best? Suppose, take your example, Sachin Tendulkar. He is a great cricketer. I mean, he is considered as the god of cricket. If his father has said to him, would have said to him that you should be a singer or you should not be a cricketer, we would not have been talking about Sachin Tendulkar today. Why he is great? Because it was something he wanted to do. If you talk about any personality, talk about Narendra Modi. He is the global personality right now, and he is taking our country to the great height, to the great levels. Why? Because this is something he is good in. And if you are good in something, you can do the best in that. No one is going to motivate you for that. Are you getting my point? This is what you have to find out. I know you are young, you are kids, this is not your age to find out what is good or not. So what you have to do, always try to do what you want to do. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that in this age, when you are young and you are just living your childhood, so just enjoy everything. Be patient, be punctual, and be serious about your studies. It's not about I don't want to study, I can do that, no. Until you are 18, you will have to focus on your studies. It's not because you want to do a job, you want to be an army man or you want to be a police officer. You will have to study. Why? Because every one of you want to be a nice person. बनना चाहते हो ना अच्छा इंसान? So that's why. अब तुम क्या चाहते हो कि तुमको लोग ये कहने जाते कि हमारे पास बहुत सारे पैसे हैं या फिर तुम्हारे बारे में ये लोग बात करें कि एक अच्छा इंसान है. This is the at in the bottom line. अच्छा तुम्हारे पिताजी किस चीज पे खुश होंगे? तुम बहुत अमीर हो जाओगे या फिर सोसाइटी में रिस्पेक्ट करेगी? रिस्पेक्ट किससे करेगी? पैसे की वजह से. पैसे वाले बहुत से लोग हैं जिनको मुंह पे तो लोग रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, पीछे रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं कि नहीं करते हैं. So this is what you have to understand at this young age. है ना? Suppose if you are earning a lot of money, but the society is not respecting you, then what is the use of that money? So that's why what we have to work for is to respect, is to just try to earn that respect. And during that, you can also do some work to earn money. Money is also important, but the respect is that something that is just mandatory. You cannot ignore it. Okay? So that's it from my side. Maybe I have never done all this because when I was in school, when any such program used to happen, I did not used to go to school because I did not used to decorate and all this because I don't like this. But now I like it because this is my academy. You guys are my students. That's why I am doing it. And thank you everyone. You guys have given your best. You guys have made me feel special today. And thank you for that. Thank you.